Namaskar Sarni, I am Kartikeya Kak from Hyderabad, but my grandparents are from Habakadal Karfali Mohalla in Srinagar. Since I was 14 years old, I've always followed my passion and played cricket, which seems to give me a lot of peace and happiness. Currently, I play for the Hyderabad senior team, which includes for the Ranji Trophy, the Vijay Hazare Trophy, and the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. I have been part of the IPL before for the Mumbai Indians team in the year 2021, and currently this year I'm with the CSK Chennai Super Kings team. Cricket has always been a significant part of my life, and I've always strived to improve as an individual and as a cricketer over the period of time. In 2018, I got selected to play for the Hyderabad cricket team in Ranji Trophy through my performances in under 23. Over the years, there have been a lot of learnings, and there have been a lot of ups and downs, but as they say, you only gain experience from the bad things and you move on with the right things that happen in your life. The journey has been a roller coaster, no doubt, and because of that journey, it has only improved. The game of an individual such as me has only improved. Being a Kashmiri Pandit, I'm aware of the challenges and struggles that our community has faced over the years. And I just want to take this opportunity to encourage all the Kashmiri Pandit kids, be it boys or girls, just follow your passion, just do what you like doing, and just follow your dreams. The road may seem a little difficult right now, but it's just a matter of time that you find a path for yourself and understand how to go about in this world. Just remember that no dream is big or small. It is just that how well you focus and how well dedicated you are towards your craft, and that will only take you to great heights. But keeping all of these things aside as well, it is also important to enjoy the process, and even if the journey seems a little difficult, just try to have fun and just try to be in that present moment and just enjoy it. And that is when the roller coaster ride, becomes a little comfortable and fun at the same time. Thank you.